Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change cover photo on X. Why would you want to know how to change cover photo on X? Well, maybe it is your first time using X and not sure how to change cover photo on X. So today I am going to show you how to change cover photo on X. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing cover photo on X is quite simple and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open X app. Now you are seeing profile picture in top left corner. Click on it. Now you are seeing different buttons. Click on profile. Now click on edit profile. Click on cover photo. Select any option. Select a picture and then click on apply. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change cover photo on X, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.